Alright, y'all. You know who this is. I'm here again. Chefs in the Hood invited me, King Kos, the Baker Man. I'm here today. I got something special for y'all. Guess what I'm doing? We got Chinese eggplant right here. I'm gonna show you how to make spicy, dried, fried eggplant. Now, I want to show you something real quick. When you picking these right here, there's a certain thing you got to look for. Of course, you got to look for the firmness of it. Do a little test, a little press right here. Press it, and you see it bounce back. That means it's ready. These are the ones you want to find and use for this particular dish right here. All right. Now we're gonna cut this up. We're gonna get busy with it. Hi, we back. Wu-Tang. Yo, we about to cut this up. All right. This is that eggplant right here. Chinese eggplant. So first we want to take this off right here. Get rid of that. Alright, I want to say something about this here, this eggplant. This has a good amount of water in it, so this is great for people that are trying to lose weight. It also helps with the circulatory system. The skin of it is actually good. It has things in it that's good for your eyes. This eggplant is good for your brain. You know, anything dealing with the circulatory and the blood system and balancing things out, eggplant is excellent for that. Now, I'm cutting it in a certain way. I cut them up like this here. And I actually have some already pre-cut, and I also pre-seasoned it. Why? Because I like the meat of it to absorb the flavor of the seasonings. Now, what seasonings do I use, you may ask? For this particular dish, we use chili powder, and I used a little bit of sea salt, cracked pepper, and just a little bit of garlic, even though it doesn't call for that. I just like garlic. It's the Boricua in me, you know what I'm saying? This also has vitamin B in it as well. This is really a really good vegetable to use when you say as an alternative. I don't want to say substitute for meat, but an alternative to eating, flesh. You know what I'm saying? Because it holds very well, and the flavor is excellent. It's gonna be the bomb. All right, now this here was pre-seasoned. Like I said, I like the meat to absorb the flavor. So I added what I just cut into here, and I mixed it all up with the stuff that was already pre-seasoned, and we're about to use this here. This is called arrowroot. Now I'm using this as a substitute for cornstarch. Now they do have cornstarch that's GMO free, but arrowroot has an extra added benefit. It's good for the organs that are used to clean out the body. So everything we do in Eat for Life, Chefs in the Hood, is we try to incorporate healthy stuff that tastes good as well, but is also beneficial to your health. So that's why we added this, okay? So that's what we're gonna do right now. And by the way, I did wash these here because the skin on it is what we eat. So that definitely was washed. Everything we cook here, we pre-wash anyway. So I'm just put a little bit of this arrowroot here. This is gonna, like I said, is gonna act as the batter. Now this here is chili powder for this particular dish. You know, it's already added here in the pre-mix. Added some sea salt, some cracked pepper. Also, I added a little bit of garlic powder. Mixed together, we're gonna just put it here inside the arrowroot, and we're gonna mix it all together. This will be the outer coating for the batter right here. Like I said, it's got a little sea salt, chili powder, and garlic. So that'll be the flavor on the outside of the skin. Cool. All right, now I'll put some of this in here. It's a few pieces you can start with. Not too much. Just enough to get it nice and coated. Matter of fact, how about we do this? We're gonna put a little more, and I'm gonna shake it up. That's even better. We're gonna shake it up. We got a top for that. That's what we're gonna do here. All right. Yo, shout out to Chefs in the Hood. He actually got tops in this piece, man. Man, you take care of us over here at Eat for Life, man. This is my brother, Chef R.O.D. Always looking out. Always got everything that we need to facilitate our cooking demonstration. Yo, check it out. See how that look right there? That's perfecto. See the little bit of water content that's on the eggplant? It's great for coating it. It's not too much, but it's just right. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna dump this in the oil right here. And this is the oil we're gonna use. This is called palm oil. Palm oil is probably one of the best oils that you can actually use if you're gonna fry. You know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna do too much frying, but it's gonna be like just to get a light coating. And this particular dish calls for that. Now you probably could bake it. You know what I'm saying? That's another option. You can try baking it. But for this particular dish that we're doing today, we're gonna fry it, pan fry it in palm oil. And I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna tell you something about the palm oil because it's zero fat content. Check that out. Great for calories, low calories, and great for cholesterol as well, believe it or not, by using that. All right. All right, now, next step is to deep fry it. Well, really pan fry, not deep fry so much. And we're gonna do it in the palm oil, which is, believe it or not, is actually good for the cataracts. Check that out. It's actually also good for type 2 diabetes. It has potassium, which actually helps with balancing the blood pressure. And you can actually use this every day. See it? See, it's nice and coated. So we're just gonna get these in here. Just gonna pan fry it. Yeah, medium flame, by the way. You know, that should be good enough. And we're gonna just turn it over every so often. Make sure it gets nice and brown. Not too heavy, but for a vegetable, it's pretty hearty. You know, the meat on it, pretty hearty. You know, check that out. How that look? How that look? Here we go. I can smell it already. Oh my goodness. What the chef is cooking. I'm about to get hood with it. With the fingers, like what? Yo. Chef's in the hood, good looking out. Entertaining us here. As always, Eat for Life movement is always welcome here. I always feel welcome. You know, family. You know how we do. So we just gonna let this do what it do. And we're gonna come back. Alright? Check it out, check it out. Spicy, dry, fried eggplant. Yeah. Good for your bones and your joints. Vitamin K and an anti-inflammatory. How about that? Boom. Now, yeah, it's looking real good. Nice and crispy. It's ready, it's ready. I like the palm oil too because it actually works with the chili powder. It gives it a nice color. It adds to it. Chili powder is already like brownish, reddish color. So the palm oil works good. Now it doesn't normally call for palm oil. It's usually like vegetable oil, but you know, no soy. We don't really do the soy thing, you know, at Eat for Life, Chefs in the Hood. So we're always gonna find healthier alternatives, you know. So this is why we're going with the palm oil today. And it kind of works. You know, we change up stuff here and there because we're chefs in the hood. That's how we do. So yeah, we're gonna get this in here, and then we're gonna do the next thing. And the next thing is to put the garnishments on it. All right. This is one of my favorite parts right here. Is cutting up the cilantro and the chili. Now you want to get this the stems in there. You don't want to throw it away because, like I always say, the flavor is in the stems as well. So we're gonna chop this up pretty good because what we're gonna do with this is gonna go on top of the spicy fried eggplant. All right. So we're gonna chop this up real good. I'm gonna put this to the side. We're gonna get some of these chopped up too. This is the chili. Yeah. You can cut it to whatever size you like. I like it nice small size. You see the seeds in there too. spicy. So depending on the spice level that you like, will determine how many of these you cut up. If you like it spicy, then hey, go for it. Do your thing. Cut up as many as you like. I like it spicy, so we're gonna use all of this here. Yeah. All right, now this is absolutely the best part of it all. It's the tasting. So we're gonna just get this over here on this plate. Stick this on here. All that goodness right there. Look at all of that. Oh my goodness. Woo. Eggplant. This eggplant in particular is already a great tasting eggplant just by itself, man. Shoot. But check it out. We're gonna put some stuff on it. We're gonna add the chilies, right? This is what help make a spicy, dried, fried eggplant. It's dry as opposed to some of the other dishes where they use, you know, liquid on it. This is no liquid. It's just straight fried. Man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Some cilantro. Let's go. I cut a lot of cilantro, but it's okay. It's all right. Get some of them stems in there in between all of that. Yeah, look at that. A little more, and then we're going to be good with that right there. Now, there we go. How'd that look to y'all? Look all right? Yeah? Cool. Looks real good, I think. Yeah. So, this is my favorite part. And that is absolutely unequivocally of all. Is to test what I cook. Let's see. You get some of that cilantro and stuff up in there. And chili pepper. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Let's see how it tastes. Spicy, delicious, good. Eat for Life movement. Chefs in the Hood. You know how we do it. Spicy, fried, dried eggplant. Boom. Check us out, Instagram, Facebook. All right? Like and subscribe. I'm going to get back to this right here. Talk to y'all later.